Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the KEEPRO 3-in-1 fast wireless charging system. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get the box open here, going to have a charging plug, USB-C charging plug, USB-C to USB charging cable, your information, simple user manual, and then another kind of basic information sheet. Now the beauty here is the ability to kind of plug this in and obviously charge 3 items at once. So I'm going to kind of just show you how this kind of operates. Now I don't necessarily know that my watch will work on this because it is not an iPhone 16, but we'll go ahead and see anyway if it does. Oh, sorry, that was no notifications. So it does not seem to be. I'll try. I'm back to it. It magnets in, but it just doesn't seem to work for this one, and that's okay. Because honestly, this is like a third-party brand, not an iWatch, but it does, in fact, magnet in, which is nice. As you can tell. Anyway, let's test it out, charging some other items here. The whole idea being able to charge multiple items at once. All right, so we'll go ahead and well, we'll have to lift this to kind of show you that it's charging. See the red begin on the charging side, and then we are fully charged. Also, I'll show you that one, and of course let's show you. I don't know if this will charge, because the idea being that you charge the kind of main device up top, and you can see that it's charging. You can also see that it's kind of mag locked on, which is nice. So it gives me an opportunity to kind of just charge 2 devices at once. I know that you're not seeing that necessarily because this one is not going to be the same. Let me see if I've got my my kids' earbuds as well. All right, so got some earbuds, AirPods. You'll hear and see that is charging. Now, one of the challenges with this thing is the weighting. So depending on how you want to kind of do this and how it's kind of set up, you got to be careful, because if you try and set it up like this, it's going to tip over. So just be aware of that. Now, again, if I want to just kind of lock it in to a position like this, I am charging and I have that going all at once. So if it's sitting on my desk, the weighting is absolutely fine. There's no concerns whatsoever, and I'm getting a good charge. So to me, this thing is very convenient for desk charging or nightstand charging, stuff like that. It would be even better if I had an iWatch, which I don't, because then it would get the charge in there as well. But it's it's doing its job very nicely with these 2 items, which is really kind of what I got it for, is the the ability to kind of charge 2 different of my items here at once. And hopefully this review has helped you, and definitely worth buying. Thanks for watching.